Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Sing from reviewssoftware.com. Welcome to my Speechdio review. You can see and get access everything in the Speechdio, everything got over here. So in this video, I will give you a full demo exactly how it works. And Speechdio, in a nutshell, this is a cloud-based software. And this is the AI software that will help you translate any text to human sound. Okay, so I know that if you are not English speaker, you speak English is really hard. It's like myself and speak not very good English, but with AI software, with like a Speechdio, you can translate any text to speak. So that's really powerful, the software. So I give you a full demo exactly what you need and what's the price and how to use and any upsell and downsell of the Speechdio. Okay, and I also put tons of custom bonuses that I would like to get you. So hold the bonus if you choose the product will help you out and grow your business. So what you need to do now, click to the very first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page look like this. Then you click to any red button here, you go to the sale page or the Speechdio here, and you can purchase the product by click to any yellow button here. Okay, alright, so before we go to the folder about the software, about my bonus, if you're first time to my channel, please subscribe, click to the bell icon. Every time when I launch a new video, you get notification. So right now, let's get started. Right, so as I mentioned earlier, that Speechdio is an AI software that will help you translate any voice or any text to voice. Okay, the voice is 100% like a human sound. Okay, so in example, you see this is the inside of the Speechdio, and now you click to add new. You go on here, you can click add new, then you can generate a sound, or you click to cloud store, then you can connect with your Google Drive account or Amazon account. Then you can download your audio, your text from that to here. But here I'm gonna do this example, so you can click on add new. You click to add new right here, it will take you to a page look like this. Okay, then you're gonna give this a name. So I'm gonna give this thing test, for example. Right, so this is gonna get a name, and this is also you can you can ask for a folder. Okay, this is you can ask for a folder, or you can click on here and add new a folder right here. But right now I'm not gonna add a folder, but you can do that. Okay, you can add a folder. That's you can arrange everything your. Okay, so when you're right here, so this is the play you put your text on here. So I'm gonna go to here and I'm gonna copy this text. Okay, you can copy any text. Okay, any text, and then you paste over here. Okay, you paste over here, then you have that. And this you also can change. You wanna break this, you want a medium, you want a strong, or you want a slow or medium, something like that. You want a slow or fast. You can do everything in here. Okay, so you go down here, you can choose a lot of language right here. You see this Thai language, Vietnamese language, and English, and a lot of language here you can choose. Okay, they have a lot of language here you can choose. It's very amazing that. Okay, and right now I choose English, then I choose the voice. So when you choose English, there are a lot of voice right here and different accent that you can choose. Okay, For example, I'm gonna choose, I just TED, I do the TED, and then you're gonna hear that and see how it look.
I am Sue and my amiable voice is perfect for any of your video needs.
You see
I'm
here.
excited to see what we can do together.
Yeah, this is really nice, right? And you also can choose more right here. For example, this.
Good morning. My name is Joanne and my American female voice is suitable for any of your video needs. I'm looking forward to working with you.
You see, this is very powerful, right? You also can choose the man that he said. You see.
Good morning. My name is Mark and my American male voice is suitable for any of your video needs.
So here you can hear exactly when you speak, okay? When you hear this text speak look like, okay? Yeah. Here you also can choose the background of you see here, you can see the background. You see, and a lot of sound right here you can use, okay? You can, you can speak and there are also a sound but slower behind the speed right here as well. So when you finish right here, you can click to generate, okay? Click on generate, then you will have the voice. So you can check one time that everything correct and you want to change, you want to edit, then you can edit after that as well, okay? When you click to generate, then you will have a voice and look like this, and then you can hear.
Combined deep learning and AI included in SPD technology is the pinnacle of the natural voice generation breakthrough. This is why now you too can generate stunning human-like speech in all major languages to keep viewers glued to the screen. Speechdio is this new groundbreaking app that uses SPD tech to voice over your scripts in a ton of voices and a lot of languages and dialects.
This is very powerful, right? You see, if you rent somebody to do this, to speak or sound like this, it would take a lot of money to do that, right? But right now you have the software, just easily you can copy and paste a text. Then a few minutes you have amazing sound for yourself. Then you can use for any software that you can create video or you can create audio, something like that. It's really powerful, this software, okay? Oh, this is amazing, right? So when you're ready, you can just click on the here and then download, okay? Click on here and download. Or you can go back to here and you see your text over here, okay? You see your text over here, so you can edit or you can download or you can delete right here. And this is really powerful, okay? So this is the software, the powerful of the software that you can get everything, okay? So right now I wanted to show you my bonus, because my bonus will help you even go faster. And if you purchase the product by the link in the description of this video, you will access to hold my high quality bonus right here, will help you go faster, okay? Click to the first link in the description of this video. It will take you to my bonus page, look like this, and you click to any red button here, you go to the sale page or the Speechdio and you click to any button in the Speechdio, then you are good to go, okay? So this product already live in 2 days ago. This is live on 8 November. So right now I'm making this video is the 10 November, okay? So this product already live, so you can go ahead to purchase the product right now you watch this video, okay? So you go down here, okay? You go down here, you will see my high quality bonus, okay? So this is the bonus that I spent a lot of time put everything together. So hold the bonus here will help you grow your business, okay? So you can see here, and this is the first bonus I would like to get you. So first bonus here, I will show you how to do video marketing profit case, okay? So this bonus, I will show you how to use video marketing to build your online business, okay? Look, you see you have the software right here, and you see you have my bonus right here, and I show you how to use the video. So you have the voice from the software with this video, then you have amazing video marketing. And this I show you how to use video marketing to build your online business. Okay, so this is very powerful on my bonus here I would like to get you. So the bonus number 2 here, I will show you new way to rank number 1 on Google less than 24 hours. Okay, so this is the bonus that I will show you how to find the keyword help you rank number 1 on Google. Okay, and then bonus number 3 here, I will show you this is the bonus that I will show you how to make $10,000 on the ClickBank. Okay, and the ClickFunnels. Sorry, it's ClickFunnels. Okay, so ClickFunnels is the best way to earn money right now. It's ClickFunnels like the small ATM that every time you get money. Okay, so if you have this case study, you learn how to make money from ClickFunnels. This is really powerful for this. Okay, and then bonus number 4 here, I will show you, and this is the bonus that I show you get the leads from YouTube. Okay, leads from YouTube. So this is the W plugin that will help you generate your YouTube video and increase new leads. Okay, and then bonus number 5 here is SEO keyword mastery. In this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to find the honest and the more profit keyword the right way. This will help you grow your business. And you know that SEO really important. If you have a website good SEO, you save a lot of money. You don't need to do any advertising on the Google or on the Facebook. That's really powerful on the SEO. Okay, alright, so this is my 5 high quality bonus that I would like to get you. So hold the bonus here. I spend a lot of time put everything together, so this will help you grow your business faster. Okay, so after you post the product, you go to WordPress and you click to your history product you already purchased. Then you click to the little green button here called Asset Affiliate Bonus. You click on here, you will asset to hold my high quality bonus that I promise to you right here. Okay, so by right now you watch this video, you can post the product. Okay, alright, so that's in my bonuses to help you. And right now let's see what is the price. Right, the price is really important. Right, so front end the price is only $27. Okay, $27 is nothing. Then you spend a lot of money to rent a freelancer to do the voice for you. You need to spend a lot of money. This is only one-time fees. You can use the software forever. Right? You can use the software forever, so you don't need to pay any money more to somebody that's help you to do voice. Right? So here you can do free. Okay, so you can do free, and then you have my bonus that help you do video marketing. Then you can do 2 of them together. Then that will help you start to earn money online. Okay. And then bonus, and then they have few upsell right here. Okay, the upsell number 1 here is the Speechdio Pro. Okay, this is the price for $47. Okay, and the upsell number 2 here is the Gobble, and $27. And the upsell number 3 here is the Business, and the $47 as well. Okay, so what I recommend, you go ahead for the first price right here and see how this and why it is. Right, so you go here, you will see the price like this. You can post the product because this is nothing, right? The price here, nothing like you spend a lot of money to rent a freelancer that's do everything for you, and you do everything, you need to pay everything. But here you only need to pay one time, and you can use forever. Okay, yeah, that's really powerful, the software. So, and this is the sales page right here. You see here, this is new AI text-to-speech software. Convert any text into the most natural sound voice over in the few clicks. Newbie friendly save you thousands of dollars by rebrand expensive voice actor, right? So this is the word AI text-to-speech software in SPD technology, and convert any text into the most natural human-like speak. Seamless and harmonious background music track to voice, include free update, and access over 100 human-like voice out, and this English plus 30 other languages. Say goodbye to expensive untable freelancer, entrepreneur license include. Okay, so this is everything you're gonna get inside the software. Okay, that's really powerful. Only $27 you access to everything that's show you right here. Okay, alright, so that's everything about Speechdio guy. I hope this will be helpful, and make sure you come here, because before my countdown time here hit 0, if my countdown time hit 0, you will not get a special the price tag. Okay, you go here and click on here, you get special, and the price still $27. Okay, alright guys, and this is hold my bonus that I give for you. You purchase the product. And if you have any question, let your comment below. I love to answer your question. And if you first time come to my channel, please click subscribe or click to the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. So right now, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.